because this video is to kill the myth of you have to take out your fan here in order to remove your radiator. That's a lie. What can be done is, if you take that black cover off here, what I did was I took and I cut a hole on the side of this here to separate it, pulled it from around there for more clearance. Unstrapped my bolts here, undid this, undid down there, the lower one, pulled off the reservoir overflow, drained everything out, took my hose off over here, that connects here, which is why I'm replacing it anyway, because this fucking blew off. But as you can see, once you remove that, you can pretty much just take the radiator, bang, and lift it right up out of the car. 94 Ford Explorer. Make the job a little bit more easier. When it's time to put your fan cover back on, just stretch it out, put it back on over it. Take a small zip tie or something, put it together, or just mold it back up to there. Or what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to break it in half. I'm just going to cover up the upper part of my fan because the lower part really doesn't matter. So I'll just cover up my upper, lower, down there. I'll leave that out. Well, I hope that helped you guys out on the tutorial 94 Ford Explorer. Thanks guys for watching.